Did you know that every 24 seconds, a fire department somewhere in the United States responds to a fire emergency? I'm here to tell you about a hidden danger that might be lurking in your kitchen right now. As someone who's spent 30 years in real estate renovation, I've witnessed firsthand the devastating aftermath of kitchen fires that could have been prevented with the right knowledge. Hey there, I'm Bobby, and today I want to share some crucial information that could literally save your home and, more importantly, your life. Let me share something that might shock you. According to the National Fire Protection Association, nearly 50% of all home fires start in the kitchen. These aren't just minor incidents. We're talking about billions of dollars in property damage every year. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through some of the leading causes of kitchen fires, share essential prevention strategies, and show you how smart renovation planning can significantly reduce your risk. Whether you're planning a renovation or just want to make your home safer, this information is absolutely crucial. Let's start with the most alarming statistic from the U.S. Fire Administration. 33% of kitchen fires begin simply because someone left their cooking unattended. I remember walking through a beautiful home that had been devastated by a fire that started when the homeowner just stepped away for a minute to answer a phone call. Here's what typically happens. A pot of oil is left on the stove. It overheats, and within minutes, you've got a grease fire on your hand. But it's not just unattended cooking. I've seen fires start from faulty electrical wiring, flammable materials stored too close to heat sources, and even from a seemingly harmless kitchen towels hanging close to the stove. My mother started a kitchen fire in our home growing up because a hot pot holder was too close to the burners when she was making jam and caught on fire. It caused a mess and required us to do a complete renovation of the kitchen. If you're liking this, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more expert fire prevention and renovation tips. We've got some amazing new content coming out soon. Now, let's talk prevention. Every kitchen needs 3 essential safety devices: a smoke detector, a fire extinguisher, and an automatic shutoff system. The key is proper placement. Smoke detectors should be installed at least 10 feet from cooking appliances to prevent false alarms. And fire extinguishers should be mounted near an exit, not right next to the stove where you might not be able to reach them during a fire. Through our Home Renovation and Remodeling Toolkit course, we teach homeowners how to design their kitchens with safety in mind. Simple changes like creating adequate clearance around cooking areas and installing proper ventilation can make a huge difference. And every family needs an emergency response plan. Practice it regularly, and if not regularly, at least go over it once or twice so everyone understands it. I'm trying to be realistic here. Know how to use your fire extinguisher. Remember the PASS method. Pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. Establish multiple escape routes and make sure everyone knows where to meet outside. Nothing too fancy, but enough of the basics to decrease issues in the event of a fire. Here's something exciting. Modern technology has given us amazing new safety features. Smart smoke detectors can send alerts to your phone. Automatic stove shutoff systems and heat sensing cameras can all be integrated during renovation projects. These aren't just fancy gadgets, they're life-saving instruments. Speaking of investments, did you know that implementing proper fire safety measures during renovation can save you 20 to 30% on your insurance premiums? That's right, safety pays for itself. I like that one. Remember, kitchen fires are preventable. With proper awareness, equipment, and smart renovation planning, you can protect your home and loved ones. If you're planning a renovation or want to make your home safer, don't wait. We specialize in helping homeowners like you manage their own home renovations, rehabs, and builds. You can save thousands without spending much more time than you would with a general contractor.
Ready to transform your home? Enroll in our renovation course today and start saving on your next project. Visit us at www.netgainrealestate.com.